Hello, in this video we will see how we can find the saved Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 computer. We know by typing couple of commands we can easily find the Wi-Fi password, but commands are not easy to remember. So this option which I am going to show you, it is very easy and you don't remember any of the commands. I will show you graphically how you can find the saved Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 computer. At first we need to click the start menu of our Windows and then it will pop up this type of window. From here we just need to type settings, and once we type settings, the system settings will be there. We just need to click here and the system settings will be opened like this. And on the left side, one of the option is network and internet. Just click here and network and internet window will be appeared right side. Here we are seeing this is connected with this Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name is AAA iPhone, and then there are a couple of options are there. One of the option is Wi-Fi. We just need to click here to expand it, and here I will see that the connected Wi-Fi is the first one under Wi-Fi. If we go a little bit down, we will see another option is there, manage known networks. To see the Wi-Fi password, we just need to access this option. We just need to click here and then it will be expanded and it will show all the list of Wi-Fi network which is available right now nearest to me. So if we connect any of the Wi-Fi network previously, then we can easily view the password of that Wi-Fi. Like for example, this one I connected before. Okay, now I'll show you how you can see the password. So on the right side you can see an arrow, right? Just click here and then it will be expanded like this way. Then we have to come down a little bit and we'll see view Wi-Fi security key. So this is the key of this Wi-Fi network. Okay, and here we'll see the Wi-Fi name, and then there is a button is there, it is called view. Just click on the view and you will see the Wi-Fi password is here. So in this way we can easily find the password of any connected, like any before connected Wi-Fi network. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily find the saved Wi-Fi password or on our Windows 11 computer. If you face any issue or if you have any question, please put in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching the video.